Welcome to EES Consultancy. Liepāja is a port city on Latvia's west coast. It's known for its long Liepāja beach, on the Baltic Sea. The beach is backed by Seaside Park, featuring a concert stage, a former bathhouse, and the Ghost Tree, a monument to the influential Latvian rock band, Liepāja. In the center, the Latvian Musicians' Alley of Fame has plaques dedicated to the nation's musicians. Holy Trinity Cathedral houses a huge mechanical organ. Liepāja is a state city in western Latvia, located on the Baltic Sea. It is the largest city in the Kurtzume region and the third largest city in the country after Riga and Daugavpils. It is an important ice-free port. The population in 2020 was 68,535 people. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, it was a favorite place for sea bathers and travelers, with the town boasting a fine park, many pretty gardens, and a theatre. Liepāja is however known throughout Latvia as the city where the wind is born, likely because of the constant sea breeze. A song of the same name, Latvian, Pilsēta, Kura Pīdzimst Vējs, was composed by Imants Kalnins and has become the anthem of the city. Its reputation as the windiest city in Latvia was strengthened with the construction of the largest wind farm in the nation, 33 Enercon wind turbines, nearby. The coat of arms of Liepāja was adopted 4 days after the jurisdiction gained city rights on the 18th of March 1625. These are described as, on the silver background, the lion of Courland with a divided tail, who leans upon a linden, Latvian, Liepā, tree with its forelegs. The flag of Liepāja has a coat of arms in the center, with red in the top half and green in the bottom. One of the very few surviving films documenting the mass murder of Jews during the first stages of the Holocaust is a short film by a German soldier who witnessed the massacre of Liepāja Jews in July 1941 near the city's lighthouse. Good day.